All right, last one.
Uber Eats food delivery interrupts Loyola Chicago Duquesne game. Duquesne? How am I supposed to say that? Duquesne game. Neither rain, sleet, or snow or a college basketball game in progress will stop a food delivery from being made. Oh, is this a viral marketing campaign? Can we be
That's
sure
what I thought,
this is
too.
legitimate? That's immediately where my mind goes. I'm like, you can't stop us. We are DoorDash. You can't stop us from bringing the delivery, especially around the time of this big snowstorm in the East Coast.
Because I'm just like, how did he get in? You know? Like the Uber delivery guy literally walks on the court while the game is happening. I don't think I can
Okay,
show
let's
it,
see this.
but-
Let's see this clip. 1.5 million views. Let's see it.
So the game stops, and then you can see on the bottom...
Which guy am I looking for here?
The bottom right corner here.
Oh, my goodness. He's in the play. That's the other problem.
Yeah. He's in the corner of the court, and he's holding the bag of food.
Well, this is...
And the referee's yelling at him. And apparently it's the referee's food.
What?
The referee ordered Uber.
This is unreal stuff here. Well, this is one hell of a find. You've completely outdone yourself.
Well, this is Vin.
Vin sent this to you?
Yeah, shout out Vin.
Oh, damn. Vin in the chat?
No. This was...
No, I know. I'm just saying, like, he's paying attention to what we're doing and sending stories.
Yeah.
He's obviously doing it in his own stealth, covert way. What a screenshot. This is 2023 in one frame.
Yeah.
The ref is like, oh, damn, my food's here, and it's on the court.
Yeah.
And somehow this guy got past security just saying, I have to deliver this food. And the security was like, it seems legit.
Yeah.
Either that or is this... Do we know it's Uber Eats for sure? Can this be like an arena person that just went to the snack bar over there? Because it could just be speculation, right?
Maybe.
It could be an employee. It's really hard to tell, but
It is, yeah.
it certainly looks like a mid-game food delivery on the court. And I have no idea why this person couldn't have been more covert. Like, how can you not notice?
He's wearing yellow.
The guy just took a three. Did that guy not just take a shot?
Yeah.
And he's like within arm's reach of hitting him.
How does he not know? Like,
He doesn't care. He's like, this food's getting over there.
yeah.
Wild. What?
Yeah.
Is this the future of marketing, Will? Like, we can't even tell.
Covert.
We can't even tell. But, like, you think about it and we're like, damn, they do go through a lot to get us those eats, don't they? And all of a sudden we have some weird positive feeling. Like, I'm on Twitter the other day and everybody says, you know, all those people who, like, those clips that come out of a day in the life of an executive employee at a particular. Well, the latest is that those people, that's all marketing, right?
Uh-huh.
That it's just all they're trying to do is recruit people to go work over there by setting an unrealistic expectation of what a workday looks like. And that those people, because some of them have gotten fired now.
Yep.
Some of those high profile, or I don't know how high profile, but some of the influencers that have been covered by news media in the past, including us, to say, oh, look at this, a day in the life, whatever. And then they get fired so shortly after their day in the life videos.
And then they make a day in the life after working at this company.
Exactly. And then you're like, but it's weird. So these people are subjecting their entire social media presence to these like one-off campaigns? I mean, there's obviously a lot of questions here. Or do they have a totally different profile where they're living a totally separate life, which is their actual social media profile, and then that entire account is just an actor? It's a lot of questions how these deals would transpire if they actually were marketing deals, but nonetheless, this is the lens with which we have to view almost everything we see in 2023.